Receipt and QR settings is where you customize the bottom of every printed receipt and bill and decide which fields print on the order QR label the customer carries home. 3 tabs, 1 Save button, applies tenant-wide. Click Receipt and QR settings under Catalog in the sidebar to open the page. On the Receipt tab, type your footer note. Use it for a thank you, a pickup reminder, or your contact details. Up to 500 characters, line breaks preserved on the printed paper. The preview on the right re-renders on every keystroke. Toggle between 58mm and 80mm paper to see how the same content wraps on each common roll size. Click the QR tab to pick which fields print on the order QR label. Toggle each field on or off and use the arrows to set the print order. Most shops keep 2 or 3 fields on, typically customer name plus phone. Fewer fields means a cleaner sticker and a bigger QR code, since the layout shrinks the code to make room. Tap Save and the new footer note and QR field order apply to every receipt and every label printed from the next sale onward. Receipts already printed don't change. Heads up! Changing receipt and QR settings requires the Manage Items permission, the same one that gates discounts, coupons, payment types, and loyalty. The default owner, admin, and manager roles have it, cashier doesn't. Assign it to other roles in Roles and Permissions if a non-manager handles this.